Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make shisha. I've learned this recently myself. I'll try to make you, get you through the process. Okay, you can see the coal. Can you see the coal? Yeah, it's getting ready, right? On top of the gas. And I have the different tobacco here. I could show you the company. Alright, there you go. It's Inferno, and the other one is also Inferno, but two different flavors. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tobacco, squeeze it up, and then chop it down into small pieces. And okay, here's I just wanted to show you how the squeezing process works. So I'm squeezing all the. So now you can see I'm chopping it down, and I'm chopping this tobacco down, just small pieces, just like that. And then I'm going to put it in this, whatever you call this. All right. That's it. So after you have chopped it down, you put it nicely in this bowl, and then you can use a toothpick, right, to separate it from where the hose will go. You don't want any of these tobacco to go directly into the hose, so you want to put it separately, arrange it, make sure it's neatly there. All right. Okay, you can see I've arranged it nicely here, and then I'm gonna put this thing on top. Here is where the coal is gonna go. And we're gonna get the coal. You can see I've inserted the coal, I've covered the cap, and all I need to do is a little bit, smoke it up a little bit so that it's totally ready. And the final product is ready. There you go. Just like that.